Welcome to Nieuws.cw. This website is not only a website that will give you news, but also television, movies, radio, and lots of entertainment. In this video I will give you an overview of everything that you can find on Nieuws.cw. Here we have Dutch local news. We can go there, we click on it, and then we see lokaal nieuws in het Nederlands. Here we have the various online news websites that are available. This one is the Knipselkrant. As you notice, now we see here Knipselkrant. It said Caribisch Network first. The nice thing about this website is it's nice and clean. It's very easy to read. So you only get the headlines of an article. Once you think, oh, this is interesting, then you go and click on the article in this, and then you will jump to the Knipselkrant Curaçao and you can see the whole article. So this is nice. There's also a movie with this article. Once you are done reading it, the best thing to do is close it back. Then you jump back to Nieuws.cw and you can continue to see what is interesting for you. So these are the available Dutch newspapers that are online. We have English newspapers, The Chronicle and Caribbean Network. We have Noticia na Papiamento. I like the Vigilante. Vigilante is always up to date. And Vigilante always has also movies that go along with the articles. So today is January 12th. We see that a lot of articles on January 12th. There's a lot of news of the police and stuff like that, and also of our government. We also link to the government channel, by the way. If you go here, you will see the Facebook site of the local government. I want to point out Yves Cooper. He has a very nice website. And Facebook, I go here every day because I like to see the front page of all the local newspaper. He has them, Bala Extra, all you can find here. So what else do we have on news? We have foreign Dutch news. Nu, AD, Telegraaf, Volkskrant, Parool. We have NRC, Trouw. So there's a lot of Dutch newspaper that you can also see. And also here you see just a few sentences. If you like it, you click on it. If you don't like it, you browse further. We also have international news. We have BBC World News. There is New York Times, CNN, Der Spiegel from Deutschland, and Al Jazeera. So, what else do we have? There are magazines. We have Elsevier, HP De Tijd, and Coaching. Coaching is the local magazine from Antilles Dagblad. If you can click on this, you can read the whole Coaching edition. This one is about Blue Bay. We have television, movies. You like Netflix? Well, you don't need Netflix anymore because this is all for free. And we have the latest movies. It is brand new. Here you can see it is 2017. This one is 2017. So there's the latest movies that you can see for free here on Nieuws.cw. We have live broadcasting, so there's streaming television from CNN, Fox, ABC. We have local, Curaçao, CBA, Nos País, and TV Direct that are streaming here on Nieuws.cw. We have replay of Dutch television. There are some TV guys from US television and Dutch television. We have all the radio stations of Curaçao that stream. When I go to work, I'll put on my headphone and I'll choose one of the radio stations I like, and then you can work nice with the headphones in. But we also have Scampi, we have FM radio from Holland, all the Dutch channels are there. We have Top 40 Nederlands. I like this also because then you can see the latest hits. Perfect, that's a very nice song. If you like to see the video, you click on there. And now we see that the video is running. So let me move over here.
Follow my lead.
Beautiful song. So you can see the greatest hits with the video that comes along with it. Events, cinemas. If you want to know what is on in the cinemas, just the only thing now you have to remember is Nieuwspunt.cw for all the stuff. For Passabong, if you click on this, you see what you can do today. And it's Friday today, so there's a lot of things that you can do. And here we see all the things that you can do. Escape after work. Roomba band. Well, this is a great band. You can go there tonight. So, Nieuwspunt.cw clicks to all these important websites. Party guide. Happy hours today. So, not a dull moment anymore in Curaçao. Come to Nieuwspunt.cw and you can find out what is there to do. Community. We have the dictionary Papiermento Nederlands. It's very nice. I like it. Here we see Papiermento Nederlands. But if you click on this, it will switch from Dutch to Papiermento. So if you want to look for a word, let's say vertaal. Click on this. You have to see something like traducie. It's here. But that's not the only thing. And that's what I like. You get these sentences. Voorbeeldzinnen. Er zijn vertalingen waarin de naam duizenden keren voorkomt. En alguna traducción en nombre te aparece miles de veces. So you get examples of how the word is used. And sometimes they don't have it over here, but you can make it up from the sentences out there. So it's a very, very good dictionary to have. Telephone directory. If you need to call somebody, you don't have to. You can't find your white pages. Well, here they are. Click in the name of the person you're looking for. UTS wants to make sure that you're not a robot, so you have to put in RTAVL search, and then you will get the person that you're looking for, even with the home address. Pharmacies, Botica Navarra. You click on that. You have from Autobanda and Punda. Today is 12, so we see 12 on the Autobanda side is Cerrito, and Botica Unión is on the Autobanda side. Close this. Buy, sell, Marktplaats, Ganganoso, Via, Vraag en Aanbod, Facebook. Those are the 4 most important buy and sell websites in Curaçao. Auctions, this is a very good website. You want to buy a house? Well, Nieuwspunt.cw is where you have to go, because it will link to Curaçao auctions. And here we see very good prices. Look at this. Groteberg, Kaya, Arenbos 32. The Marine is selling houses. And for a very good price, look at this. 186.000. Not dollars, no. It is ANG. If you want to have more information on this house, you click on read more. And there you get a better overview. Sometimes you get the appreciation report also. See, very nice house. for little money. So hurry up and go to the auction. It's over here in Gothenburg. So what else do we have? As you can see, there's a lot of stuff here. Job offers. You need a job? Well, go to Amigo and Antilliaanse Dagblad Vacatures, Indeed. So the major sites that offer jobs you can find over here. Aviso di morto. If somebody has passed away, I like the one in the extra. You get very nice pictures of everybody that has left us. You can come here. You can see where you can click on here and you can see where you can go and pay respect to the family. So what else? Live webcams. You can, if you're in Holland and you'd like to see and it's winter time, come here, click on Seaquarium Beach, and you can have the beach in your home. And Curacao Sports. This is also a very nice website where we have all the local sports. And schiet sport, we have team sport, tennis, vechtsport, judo, karate. All the local sports are here. Here you see table tennis. The McLeod family has been active in table tennis for many years. And there's a special article about them now. We have soccer. We have Dutch Eredivisie. We have highlights of soccer. I like this one because then you can see all the different games that are on. Here we see that Bayer Leverkusen has lost from Bayern München. And the French scorer Ribéry made a goal. So you can come here. You can click on that.
The Rückrunde is underway. It is.
Here you can make it bigger.
Attacking from
So
right to
you
left.
have a big screen.
James on the delivery. Thomas Muller, one of the targets that goes
Yeah,
over
this is
here.
the goal.
Well defended.
This
As
is
far as
not a goal.
Boateng.
Yeah, maybe. Yes,
Back for
no.
Vidal.
Yeah.
Vidal
No.
flashes it across.
Well,
and
if
it
you
might
want to
take
see
a
the rest,
deflection.
come to news.cw and you can see what happened in that match. That was under sports, soccer, and soccer football tube. Here we have American football, baseball, government. Here we have the weather. Want to know the weather for today? You come here. It's nice weather. You have also the satellites that you can click on, so you can see how many clouds we have, so you can make your own weather forecast. Ventana de Información. Yes, all services of Ventana de Información. If you want to renew your passport, well, come here, news.ca, you click here on P, passport, you click here, and then you know exactly what the costs are. It's 100 guilders. What do you need to bring along? Well, here we have everything. But this for all the services on this site, you can see here. And if you want to make an appointment, you click on this and you make an appointment online. So that was Ventana de Información. National Archive. If you want to find some family members, click on this one. Here you click and you go to National Archives. Family is coming or leaving. You go directly to the arrivals and departures of Hato. Here's arrivals and you click here, you get the departures. So you don't have to remember www.curaçaoairport.com. That's too hard to remember. Just remember news.cw. You go there and you click on the site. Public transportation. You can see here the bus routes that are in Curacao. I never go by bus, but once I saw this, I said, oh, maybe I should try it once, And also, we have the departure in Punda and Otrobanda. Let's go there quickly. Well, this is all that is here on this website.